Here on phase one, we're going to be speaking about the utilities. So this is something that's really important to consider. You know, on many of our projects, we had another video previously on the YouTube channel. We spoke about that 1,000-foot driveway and the complexity to get utilities up that 1,000-foot driveway up the mountain, the 14 private acres up to the house. Very similar here. You have this massive property and again, 60,000 square feet under roof. And so the amount of power, sewer, water, gas, right, that is really key to these clients. They're not on septic. We're going to be tying into the utilities. And you can see this long driveway. So down behind me, this is the driveway up. Again, as you come up the driveway, we have plenty of parking area up here, but again, logistically, we have to figure out where everything is going to be staged. Originally, the clients had thought about, well, is there an opportunity to save expenses, right? Because we have two properties. Can we bring like a joint trench right up the middle and then tee off into either property? Well, logistically, with all the retaining walls, not just the easement and layout of the house, but there's so many retaining walls and footings, and then the landscape design and the facilities when we speak about the pool and the football field and everything else, it just logistically we could not come up the middle. We're gonna have to come up either side. So here on phase one, on the top tier, we're actually be digging this driveway up. So again, you know, this is really important that we get everything staged, get all our lumber up here so that we can shut down the driveway. And then here on this side of the house, which is off of the master suite, we're gonna build some sound walls. The reason being we have a lot of the exterior condensers. We're gonna have the AC condensers here on the exterior, so as those are running, you don't want that noise coming in. Even though it's back here off of the master closet, not really by the master bedroom, there is a distance there, but we still wanna keep that safeguarded for any noise. We also have the gas meter. So the gas meter and the SES electric panel will be set right here on this side of the house. And then we're gonna be bringing up sewer and water. And we have tie-ins as we come up into the property, even all the way back to our guest casita. And you know, it's really important to go through that because as you see through some of the B-roll down below, just the massive complexity of this project and all the retaining walls on phase two is gonna be very similar. We're gonna be coming up the driveway. The amount of SES panel on electrical is really key. Which is nice now with LED is that we don't have as much amperage as you would in the past years ago, but still for homes that are pushing 60,000 square feet, there's a lot of utility coordination, and we had to work with the municipality, you know, for transformers down below and to make sure that we have the correct wire sizing to come up on this long run so we don't lose too much voltage as we come up the hill. So again, a lot of logistics. Make sure that you understand the utilities, what connections you have, and how that can impact it. You know, we just had a call yesterday with the client that was asking about their property in Paradise Valley, and there's easements, right? Right now they're on septic. There is city water and city sewer not too far away. And so we're having a meeting next week with the city to work on options to tie into that and understand that the clients typically foot that bill, right? It's great for resale, great for them to be on city utilities, but again, there's gonna be a cost to dig into the street. So whenever you're bidding, make sure you understand the easements, what the city will allow, logistically or approval if there has to be an approval from the neighborhood, and then all the costs associated.